Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today's dinner we're making Mulukhiyah, which is kudra in our language, and we're going to eat it with anjera. So if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, share, like and comment below. Welcome. So when we're making this soup, we don't fry onion. I don't know, that's just me. I don't fry my onion when I'm making Mulukhiyah. But some people do, but I don't. So here I have my lamb. It's already clean, already washed, so I'm just gonna add it in. Add water. Okay, so the spices that I'm using are vegeta. I'm not going to measure, I'm just going to put it in. Garlic and herbs. American seasoning. Garlic powder, but I'm also going to use fresh garlic. And cubes. And that's it, we're gonna let it cook and we'll come back. Okay, while our meat is cooking, we're going to prepare Mulukhiyah. So first I am going to chop these fresh dill. So this is the Mulukhiyah that we're using. I'm going to put this in a separate pot. We're going to wait for our meat to cook and then we'll cook this. Okay, we're going to check the meat, see how it's going. It's looking... Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more of it. We're going to let it cook more. Okay, I'm going to beat some garlic, fresh garlic. We're going to let the garlic cook a little bit more. We're going to swap over and start cooking the Mulukhiyah. So I'm going to add the fresh dill. I'll rinse it with a little bit of water. And then a little bit of kombu to make it greener and slimy. So this is Mulukhiyah. We're going to let it cook. So we add in the lamb soup. It's there! It's there! Lulu, điều cho kìa tiếng. Lulu! That's really good.
No!
That is really good, Lulu.
No! No, mommy!
No? Okay. And our Mulukhiyah is done. And this is Mulukhiyah, ready to be eaten. So this is injera here. And that's it. We are done cooking dinner. Time to save it. Thank you for watching. Bye.